Hi everyone, I'm Katie, a customer service representative here at Citi. The other day, I helped one of my customers order a replacement card. He was really pleased how easy it was to order his replacement card using the Citi Mobile App, which made me think, maybe you'd like to see how easy it is too. Once the app is open, tap Services, and then Card Services, and Replace Card. Next, tell us why you need a new card. If you indicate the card was lost or stolen, we'll take extra precautions to ensure your account is safe. In this case, though, let's assume your card is physically damaged. Choose your delivery method. And then tap Submit in the upper right corner. That's it! Tap Done to immediately see the progress on your request. It's that easy. Citi is always striving to put these type of account maintenance requests right at your fingertips. I hope you enjoy the Citi mobile app as much as I do.